In today's video, I'm gonna quickly show you how to fix your WhatsApp microphone in here if it's not working. Let's say you're trying to send a voice note, an audio note, for example, or you're trying to call somebody, but your voice is not audible, or simply WhatsApp is unable to record your voice in here. I'm gonna show you how to fix that in a few steps in here, and this is quite easy and very simple as long as your microphone is not damaged in terms of hardware scenarios, which is very uncommon. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this annoying problem. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel I help with fixing tech related issues. So if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. Now, first things first, here I am on WhatsApp. Okay, the very first thing we're going to do is simply close WhatsApp, of course, close, and then open up the app in here, close it from the recently opened tabs and reopen WhatsApp, and then try sending that voice note or try calling somebody, right? So you want to try doing this, just closing and reopening it, because it may help, as it's a very basic step, but sometimes it helps. If this doesn't help fixing the problem, no problem, simply close it. And next up, hop into settings. Whether you do have an Android device or an iPhone device, the process is exactly the same. Hop into Bluetooth and make sure that Bluetooth is turned off. Okay, it may sound like something very basic or something logic, but sometimes Bluetooth may be interfering in here on your iPhone device or your Android device, because you may be connected to a specific device such as an earphone, AirPods, or anything like that, and your phone is actually trying to record the audio from that specific connected Bluetooth device microphone, and that can be interfering in here with your phone. It's something basic just to double check, so we can move into the very advanced method on how you can solve this without any issue. Now, next up, you want to open up WhatsApp, try sending that voice note, try calling, and see if it's sorted out or not. Next up, if this doesn't help fixing the problem that we've got, we're moving into the next step where we need to hop into settings in here, either on your iPhone or Android device. You want to scroll down all the way to the WhatsApp app settings. So on iPhone, we do have apps in here section. You do also have on Android, and then you want to scroll down all the way to the letter W to search for WhatsApp. Here we go. I do have my WhatsApp app in here settings. And next up, you want to hop into WhatsApp in here, and then scroll down all the way to a section where you find microphone. Okay, so we do have microphone in here. Basically what it's saying, essentially it's saying that, hey, you want to allow or disable, for example, the permission for your WhatsApp to use microphone. It needs to be toggled on. As you can see, we do have camera, Face ID, microphone, and a lot more settings in here, such as cellular data. So you want to make sure that this is toggled on. Now it's off, you want to turn it on. Mine is already on, but in case you're facing the issue, make sure that it's turned on. Because for example, let's say that I'm going to turn off cellular data. If I turn off cellular data and I open up my WhatsApp, I won't be able to actually use my WhatsApp with cellular data because I've restricted the permission for the app to use cellular data. So double check every other setting as well, as it can help you fixing any other issue. This is something very interesting in settings that allows us to restrict, for example, third-party apps from getting access to specific settings that we don't wish to use. For example, you can be using an app which is spying you, okay, by using your microphone without your knowledge or permission. That's why we do have these settings in here within settings. So double check if mic is turned on your settings of the WhatsApp within settings on your phone. Now, if that doesn't fix the problem, on iPhone, hop into settings, scroll down all the way to screen time in here. So you want to hop into screen time real quick, and then you want to scroll down and tap on content and privacy restrictions real quick. So once you're here, content and privacy restrictions can be restricting your phone from using a microphone or anything like that. So you want to scroll down all the way to microphone in here, and then hop into microphone and make sure that it's set to allow changes. Okay, so you want to keep it on allow changes and double check down here if WhatsApp is toggled on. It needs to be toggled on, and you need to be here set to allow changes. Now this is only for WhatsApp. Okay, double check that and see if it solves the problem or not. Now if this doesn't fix the problem that we've got in here, we're moving into the next next step in here, which is of course to restart our device. This can be an Android or an iPhone. If it's an Android, simply restart it normally, press and hold the power button, restart it. Now, if you have an iPhone, instead of performing a basic restart by pressing and holding volume down along with power and then sliding it off, I would recommend you guys to perform a forced restart. A forced restart is much deep, okay? Because it actually reboots your phone as if it's coming from a deep sleep. And that's good because whenever you make changes on settings and you perform a forced restart, it actually reboots from scratch and ensures that all the changes have been saved and they're now processing smoothly, okay? So if you have an iPhone 8 or later models, for example, 8 Plus, 11X, 12, all the way to an iPhone 17, in order to perform a forced restart, you just need to rapidly tap on volume up, down, and then press and hold the power button. Press and hold the power button continuously for approximately 7 to 8 seconds. So after 7 to 8 seconds, your phone will reboot and you'll be able to see the Apple logo on your screen. Once you see the Apple logo, release the power button. Make sure that you were pressing it continuously and without releasing the power button. There we go, your iPhone will restart and you'll be good to go. Now, this essentially cuts all the power which was being supplied to your motherboard or your logic board, and then it rejuices it up with fresh new battery, and this helps restarting your phone as if it was in a deep sleep. And do not worry, this doesn't delete or you won't lose any sort of data here on your phone. Now, if you have an iPhone 7 or 7 Plus, in order to perform the forced restart, all you need to do is press and hold the volume down along with the power button. Press and hold both of the buttons combination until you see the Apple logo on your screen, and then you're going to release the buttons combination. Now, if you have a much older iPhone, such as an iPhone 6 or an iPhone 5, iPhones with physical home button in here, you want to press and hold the physical home button along with the power button until you see the Apple logo on your screen, and then you're going to release both of the buttons combination. Now, please note that in much older iPhone devices, usually the power button is located at the top. So in order to perform a forced restart, you'll have to press the physical home button along with the power button at the top continuously until you see the Apple logo on your screen. Now, once you see the Apple logo, you're going to release both of the buttons combination, and this will allow you to force restart your iPhone device in here. Now, once this is done, you're going to unlock your phone, and then you want to reopen WhatsApp and see if it's sorted out and if it's now working fine. Okay, so you want to double check in here if everything is working fine on your WhatsApp or not. Now, if it's not working fine, what I would recommend you guys to do is to simply update your WhatsApp version. You want to hop into the App Store in here real quick, and then you want to search for WhatsApp, okay, real quick. There we go, WhatsApp. And then after searching for WhatsApp, you want to tap in here on WhatsApp and see if you do not have update. Okay, in my case, it's even showing update. So all you want to do is rapidly tap on update and update your WhatsApp Messenger software version. There we go, update is taking place depending on your internet speed. This can be slow or this can be much faster. So you want to be patient and wait until your WhatsApp does its thing. It's going to take you a couple seconds or minutes. There we go, update is now complete. Tap on open and you're good to go without any issue. Now you're ready to rock and roll with your WhatsApp updated. Try to record a voice message or try calling somebody and see if it's sorted out or not. If the problem isn't sorted out, what I would recommend you guys to do is to open up Voice Memos app in here on your iPhone. If you're unable to find Voice Memos, you can simply search it here by bringing down the search bar and search for Voice Memos. Open it up and then simply tap on record and start speaking. Okay, I'm speaking right now, it's recording my voice, and then once you're done recording 10 seconds approximately of your voice or audio, tap on stop and then tap on play to hear your voice. So you want to see if it's playing or not. There we go. It's playing well and crisp clear. See if your voice is clear or if it's sorted out. Because if it's recording, that means that your microphone is working fine, but the problem is with WhatsApp itself. Now, in case it's not even recording within Voice Memos, the problem lies with your microphone. This can be a harder problem. So in case it's not recording, what you're gonna need is actually a toothbrush that looks like this. It needs to be soft and it needs to be clean as well as dry, okay? So what we're gonna be doing in here is clean our microphone down here. There we go, we're gonna keep our phone upside down, and on iPhone, the right side is the speaker and the left side is the microphone. Usually on all devices, microphone is here at the left side downwards, okay? So in case you have any doubt or you have a different phone, try searching on Google for the location of your microphone on your phone. Now, all you wanna do essentially is simply clean in here the charging port like this. There we go, let me get a good position. This looks pretty good. This is the movement that we need to perform to the right for approximately 2 minutes, and then to the left as well, approximately 2 minutes, because you may be having a lot of dust in here, and all this dust needs to be removed here from the microphone. This can be clogged and may be creating here some issue, and you'll be unable to actually record audio. Okay, so as soon as you insert toothbrush, it's gonna go inside and then it's gonna remove dust from that specific hole in there. So you wanna clean that microphone for approximately 5 minutes in total, and then you'll be good to go. We're gonna perform the same step. As you can see, we do have a lot of dust in here. This is all dust in here that came out of my microphone. Can you see? This is all dust in here, okay? So you wanna remove as much as you can because this can be clogged on your microphone. Next up, you wanna see if the problem is sorted out. Try recording a voice note, try making a phone call and see if it's sorted out. Thank you so much for making it till the end of the video. I hope this video really helped you out. And if you find my content useful, consider subscribing, like the video, and let me know down in the comment section if you do have any questions or doubts so we can discuss further. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.